Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this American Mahjong set that we got to be able to play. So a couple features of this is it comes with 166 of these tiles that you can see. I've got a few of them turned over here and several of them in the racks. So it comes with 4 racks and pushers. As you can see there's a green one. You've got a blue, a yellow, and kind of like a pink or red one. Another cool feature is it does come with 3 golden dice also, as you see right there. And then it has a portable soft bag with a zippered compartment in there. Here's, as you can see here, the zipper's up. So another cool feature of this is it's got these 2 wraps to store the tiles and the pushers. So basically you can wrap the tiles up like this to store them before you put them in the bag, and this Velcro holds the wrap in place. Obviously you want to do it with 2 hands, but just doing it with one to kind of show you to demonstrate. And then you can put the pushers in the other one, put them in the bag, zip up the bag, and you're good to go. And then you do have a beginner's guide, American beginner's guide here to American Mahjong. So that's pretty much it. Just a nice little set with some storage bags and wraps for American Mahjong.